At Doosan Mobility Innovation, we're focused on making long-endurance drone flight easy and affordable for commercial users through hydrogen fuel cell technology and a better user experience. In this video, we walk you through the quick and easy refueling process, which begins by opening the Doosan Drone Fuel app. Doosan manufactures its own hydrogen fuel cell-powered commercial drones, as well as retrofit kits for popular commercial drone models. All drones are supplied with multiple, small, lightweight fuel tanks, so all pilots have to do is attach a new tank and fly. All Doosan tanks are certified, with no special licensing requirements for ground transportation or handling. Additional tanks are affordable to buy, as all Doosan tanks are tested, certified, and tracked through the refueling app. They require minimal ongoing servicing, which is automatically managed through the app. There is a nationwide network in the USA for hydrogen refueling due to the growing usage of hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, private industry adoption, and regional clean energy initiatives. New sources of hydrogen fuel are coming online daily. To simplify sourcing for our customers, we've built out a network of providers, delivery drivers, and refueling infrastructure, all of which is automatically coordinated in the Doosan app. In the Doosan application, all a user has to do is order hydrogen tanks needed. The user then has the option of having refill tanks delivered or having tanks refueled at the job site. The app saves billing, company, equipment, and job site information to streamline the process as much as possible. For advanced users who are hydrogen proficient or have localized hydrogen resources, Doosan offers an intermediary tank with 2 valves, 1 valve for refueling at any station, whether your own or through our network, and 1 valve that connects to the craft-mounted tank.